Meaning of dinner table.
Dinner table.
Dinner table.
Dinner table.
Dinner table. A dinner table is a piece of furniture designed specifically for dining. It typically includes a flat surface and one or more supports. The surface is usually elevated, allowing diners to sit on chairs or stools to eat comfortably. Some dinner tables may also include additional features like drawers, built-in shelves, or extendable surfaces. These tables come in a variety of sizes and shapes, from small round tables to large rectangular ones. Overall, the dinner table serves as a central gathering place for people to come together and share a meal.